Hi everyone, and welcome to day 16 of our Vlogmas series. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, you can go to my channel and check them out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and creamy coleslaw. To make the coleslaw, start by peeling the carrots. If you don't have a peeler, you can also just use a knife. Next, using this tool, I'm going to grate the carrots. I like using this peeler for the carrots because it gives me really long carrot shavings. But you can also use a regular grater to do this. When using a grater, place the carrot vertically so you can get long strands like this. Next, get the cabbage, take the outer leaves off and cut down the stem. Using a sharp knife, shred the cabbage by making thin cuts on it like this. For the top part of the cabbage, which is usually stronger, you can use a grater or a food processor to shred that. After you've gotten enough cabbage that you need, go ahead and make the dressing. For the dressing, I usually use about 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or white vinegar, and about 1½ teaspoon of sugar. And the exact measurement to everything in this video is going to be in the description box below, so you can check that out. Add the shredded cabbage and the carrot to the dressing and mix this all together. Other things you can add to the coleslaw are cucumbers, eggs, sweet corn, sliced apples, and so on. In my opinion, coleslaw is best enjoyed cold, so after mixing, pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And make sure you cover the bowl with either the cover or a plastic wrap before putting it in the fridge. I'm going to enjoy it with this absolutely delicious fried rice. If you want the recipe for the fried rice, I have it on my page. Or you can just search Kiki Foodie's fried rice recipe and it will pop up. Let me know if you have any questions about this recipe. That's it for day 16. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.